Now, we'll see how to set up multi-pass welding in UWeld. We will need a workpiece and identify the number of passes required for the welding application. It's also crucial to have the TCP and payload correctly configured. We'll start by teaching the welding trajectory for the initial pass. It's recommended to teach it so that the welding wire points to the weld route. Now, we'll select the Advanced tab in UWeld, then the Multi-layer option, where we'll enable the checkbox. Here, we can set up the passes we need for our welding application. You'll notice that there is already one pass, which is labeled as Pass 0. Pass 0 is the welding trajectory we recorded earlier, and it serves as the basis for configuring the other passes. By pressing the Add Pass button, we can see the different welding passes being created. In each pass, we can add position offsets along the Y and Z axes of the base. We can also apply different travel and work angles for each pass. We'll start by configuring a 5 mm offset along the YE axis. By pressing the Viewer button, we can see a diagram that helps us visualize the passes we've configured. Here, we see that Pass 0 is the origin, and Pass 1 is positioned to the side along the YE axis. With the Data button, we return to the screen where we can configure more welding passes. We will add 2 more passes and configure an offset for each pass. In Pass 2, an offset will be configured along the Z-axis, while in Pass 3, offsets will be configured along both the Y and Z axes. We'll observe how the offsets we've configured are applied to all the waypoints of our trajectory 0. Now, the welding application will begin. Sometimes, it's necessary to interrupt the robot program for various reasons, changing the contact tip, grinding, or even cleaning the weld bead. In these cases, UWeld allows us to select which pass we want to resume from. To do this, we'll return to the Multipass configuration screen, where we can enter the pass from which we want to resume the application. In this case, we have already completed passes 0 and 1, so we will resume from Pass 2. This is particularly useful in applications with several passes. It's a helpful tool designed to assist the programmer with testing the program. It's recommended that when you want to run the application continuously, you leave Pass 0 selected to start. This is how you can create multi-pass welding applications in UWeld.
Thank you for your preference.